Hi everyone! Welcome to this Excel tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a simple student gradebook and automatically calculate the GPA for each student. This is perfect for students, teachers, or parents who want an easy way to keep track of grades. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to support the channel. Let's jump right in. First, open a new Excel workbook. Click on cell A1 and type student name. Then, move to cell B1 and type assignment 1. Next, in cell C1, type assignment 2, and in cell D1, type assignment 3. These columns will hold the scores for each assignment. Now, in cell E1, type average score, and finally, in cell F1, type GPA. These last two columns will calculate each student's average and GPA based on their grades. Next, enter some sample student names. Click cell A2 and type John Doe. Then, in A3, type Jane Smith. And in A4, type Michael Brown. You can add as many students as you want, but for now, 3 will do for this example. Now, enter some sample grades for the 3 assignments. For John Doe in row 2, type 85 in B2, 90 in C2, and 78 in D2. For Jane Smith, type 92 in B3, 88 in C3, and 95 in D3. For Michael Brown, type 74 in B4, 80 in C4, and 70 in D4. These are example grades, so feel free to use your own numbers. To calculate the average score for each student, click on cell E2. Type this formula, equals average, B2, D2. Then press enter. This formula finds the average of the 3 assignment scores for John Doe. To apply the same formula for the other students, click on E2 again and drag the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell down to E4. Excel will copy the formula and adjust it for each row. Next, we'll calculate the GPA. Click cell F2 and type this formula. Equals if E2 is greater than or equal to 90, enter 4. If E2 is greater than or equal to 80, enter 3. If E2 is greater than or equal to 70, enter 2. If E2 is greater than or equal to 60, enter 1. And finally, if E2 is less than 60, enter 0. Then press enter. This formula assigns a GPA of 4 if the average score is 90 or above, 3 if it's between 80 and 89, 2 if it's between 70 and 79, 1 if between 60 and 69, and 0 if below 60. Drag this formula down from F2 to F4 just like before. To make the table easier to read, select the range A1 to F4. Go to the Home tab, then click Format as Table. Choose a style you like. If you prefer, you can also add borders by clicking the Borders icon and selecting All Borders. Bold the first row by selecting Row 1 and clicking the Bold button. Finally, select the scores in columns B, C, and D and center align them for a cleaner look. And there you have it. A simple but effective student gradebook that calculates average scores and GPAs automatically in Excel. Try creating your own and customize it with more students or assignments. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.